Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save and export files in Audacity step by step. Saving a project lets you continue editing later, while exporting creates an audio file you can share or play on other devices. So let's get started. First, open Audacity on your computer. Next, create a new project or open an existing one. After you've finished editing your audio, click the File menu. To save your project, select Save Project. Then click Save Project As. Choose the folder where you want to save the project. Enter a name for your project, then click Save. Your project will be saved as an Audacity project, which you can open and edit later. Now, to export your audio, click the File menu again. Select Export. Choose your preferred file format, such as Export as MP3, Export as WAV, or Export as OCG. Choose the location where you want to save the file. Enter a file name, then click Save. If prompted, edit the metadata or simply click OK. Wait for Audacity to finish exporting your audio. And that's it. You've successfully saved and exported files in Audacity. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Audacity tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.